सबसे पहले मैं निवेदन करूंगा हमारे एमपी तेजस्वी सूर्या जी को कि आप पधारे और अपने 2 शब्दों के द्वारा हमें संबोधन करें और मार्गदर्शन करें। थैंक यू सर।
भारत माता की, भारत माता की। ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವಂಥ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು, ನವ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿಗಳು, ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ನಾಡಿನ ಏಳಿಗೆಗೆ ಪರಿಶ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವಂಥ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ನಾಯಕರು, ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಬಸವರಾಜ ಬೊಮ್ಮಾಯಿ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ, ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದು ಇಡೀ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಜೈನ ಸಮುದಾಯದ ಕೀರ್ತಿ ಶೇಷವನ್ನು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಬಾನೆತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರುವಂಥ, ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೇರಣಾದಾಯಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಪದ್ಮಶ್ರೀ ಚಂದನಾ ಶ್ರೀಜಿಯವರ ಪಾದಾರವಿಂದಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸಿ, all the dignitaries on the stage, I wouldn't want to take names of all of you here. There are many and we are all waiting eagerly to listen to the Honorable Chief Minister's words. Chairman of JITO, all the important office bearers, and most importantly, all my well-wishers, supporters, elders, seniors and young people of the Jain community assembled here, मेरा आदर पूर्वक नमस्कार और श्रद्धा नमस्कार। I keep saying this in many programs of the Jain Samudai. I am truly blessed in many ways, but one of the biggest blessings of my life has been that even though I am not born in the Jain Samudai, the Jain Samudai has given me so much love and has made me one of their own everywhere. और सिर्फ बेंगलुरु का बात नहीं है, जब मैं गुजरात जाता हूँ या राजस्थान जाता हूँ या देश के अन्य जगह पे भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा के काम के वजह से मैं जब जाता हूँ, वहाँ के जैन समुदाय के जो यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर्स होते हैं, जैन समुदाय के वहाँ के जो युवा नेता होते हैं, सब लोग इतने प्यार से, आदर से और वो एक अपनापन भाव से सब हर बार मिलने का प्रयास करते हैं। आई कीप सेइंग दिस फ्रॉम द डे माई टिकट वॉज अनाउंस्ड टू टुडे, द जैन कम्युनिटी हैज स्टूड विथ मी रॉक सॉलिड एंड हैज सपोर्टेड मी इन एवरी वे. So in fact, when invitation was given to attend this program today, I was supposed to travel to Australia today to lead a young parliamentarians delegation to Australia, but there was no way I could miss the JITO program, so I postponed going to Australia by 1 day so that I could be present with all of you today. Friends, just 2 things that I want to share with all of you. One, Karnataka and the Jain Samudai have the Jain tradition, shares a very rich, a very long and a very proud history. The literature of Kannada begins with the contribution of some of the greatest literarians like Adikavi, Pampa, Ponna, Ranna, and all of them belong to the Jain Samudai. The Jain community has enriched the culture of Karnataka, architecture of Karnataka, whether it is Shravana Belagola, whether it is the Jain Basadis of Beluru, Halebeedu, Karkala, Mudbidre, whether it is the spectacular Jain temples, or whether it is the economy of Karnataka, the Jain community has always enriched and contributed mightily to the growth and well-being of Karnataka, and the Jain community has been an adarsh for all the other communities in terms of entrepreneurism and in terms of service, both of these things. I interact with many young people belonging to the Jain Samuday. Many of them are there in my office who help me with so many seva activities. There are two aspects of this community which have always impressed me and which always is worthy of inspiration and emulation by other samudais as well. One, the spirit of entrepreneurial, the spirit of entrepreneurism, the spirit of enterprise. आज प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने $5 ट्रिलियन इकोनॉमी का एक बहुत बड़ा लक्ष्य हम सबके सामने रखा है. If this $5 trillion economy aim, dream must be achieved, the Jain community, the Jito organization and young entrepreneurs of this community will play a very, very pivotal role in ensuring India becomes this $5 trillion economy. और मैं रोज देखता हूं, स्टॉक मार्केट में हो या नए नए स्टार्टअप्स में हो, बैंकिंग हो या फिनटेक हो, फूड इंडस्ट्रीज से लेकर एग्रो प्रोसेसिंग इंडस्ट्रीज तक, हर इंडस्ट्री में, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग से सर्विस इंडस्ट्री तक, स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री से लेकर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बैंकिंग तक, young Jain community members are at the forefront and are taking a lead. And it gives so much confidence that on their young shoulders, a new India and a new Karnataka is being built. I wish all of you the very best. The second aspect, along with entrepreneurship and wealth creation, is this. There is a tradition in this country which says, Paropakaraya vahanti nadyaha, Paropakaraya vahanti Paropakarartham idam shariram. Why are we creating wealth? Why are we living? We are doing it because for the welfare of others, for the Paropakarartha. And the Jain Samudai, whether it is COVID or whether it is any natural calamity, they have been at the forefront of helping the society. I don't have statistics in my hand, but I can tell you, out of the experience of traveling around India, 90% of the well-run goshalas across the country are supported and funded by the Jain Samudai. Therefore, earning wealth is one important value. Distributing the wealth so that the entire society will also benefit is another very important value that has been the tradition of this community. I welcome all of you to this program. Karnataka has made you theirs, not from today, but from the 3rd century BC. And you have made Karnataka your proud home and have contributed to this great land from times immemorial. We are in this journey together. Our Honorable Chief Minister always mentions Nava Karnataka for Nava Bharata. Let us together achieve this goal. I wish all of you the very best. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Jai Jinendra. Namaskar.